Hello guys, for today's video, hanapin natin si Cesar dito sa refrigerator. Hanapin natin yung common starting and running niya para makabit natin ng tama yung wiring dun sa schematic diagram. So ganito maghanap ng Cesar guys, yung common starting and running. So dito guys, sa compressor, meron yung ganito. Meron siyang ano guys, hanapin na muna natin yung ito 1, 2, and 3. Tatlong saksakan kasi yun guys, 1, 2, and 3. So guys, iset natin yung tester guys sa kilo ohms. Yan, so kilo ohms na siya. So check natin yung reading ng 1 and 2. Sa 1 and 2 guys, 18.1, 18.2. Okay, 18.2. So 1 and 2, 18.2. So 18.2 yan guys, oh. So dito naman tayo sa 1 and 3. Sa 1 and 3 guys, reading niya ay 21.9. You know, 21.9. Okay, kilograms. So dito guys, 1 and 3, 21.9. And then dito naman tayo guys sa 2 and 3. Sa 2 and 3 guys, reading niya ay 39.2. Mataas, 39.2. 39.2. Yan, nasulat ko na. 39.2 guys. So, para malaman natin yung saan dito yung common starting and running guys. Number 1, 2, and 3. So, saan dito yung starting and running? So, ayon sa alamat guys, the opposite of the highest reading resistance is common. So, ang opposite daw nung pinakamataas na reading, common. So, dito ang pinakamataas guys, 2 and 3. So, ang opposite nito, 1. Ibig sabihin, 1 yung common. You know, 1 yung common niya guys. And then the opposite of the second highest is running. Second highest natin guys is 21. Kasi ang lowest natin 18. So 21 ang second highest, ang opposite niyan is running. So number 2 running. Running yan guys. And then automatic guys, number 3 starting. Yan, so nahanap na natin guys si Cesar guys. And then pwede natin kabit yung wiring nito. Then reprocess na natin para umandar na siya. No? Ganun lang guys for today's video.